Hello, my name is Laura Ann, and I want to enter the overnight stay for my friends and family at Larchfield. The main reason is it is my 30th birthday this year at the end of November, so I would love no other way to celebrate than to come and stay at Larchfield. It is very special to me because we got married, myself and my husband Chris are 6 years married this year. I remember, I don't think Larchfield was very long open. Um, I'll hopefully be able to edit this to add a few of our pictures from the special day. So yeah, I would absolutely love to win to celebrate my 30th birthday there. I love Larchfield so much, and it would bring back lots of happy memories for us. We now have two beautiful boys and are very happily married thanks to you guys. So fingers crossed.